What's up, guys? So today we're taking a look at a Super Mario Brothers multi-tool. Why? Why do I have this? Well, it's kind of a story. I have an account with Target. I have a Target line of credit, and I rarely use it. I really rarely ever use the card. I do occasionally go to Target. There's nothing by me whatsoever. I've mentioned this many times in the past, but I'm pretty much in the woods. I have to travel if I want to go anywhere. But even when I'm at Target, I do prefer using cash over using cards. So I got one of those letters in the mail that basically said, use it or lose it. You know, if I didn't use my line of credit, that they would just close the account. So I didn't really want that, so I had to use my credit card for something. I was planning on going to Target, maybe do some food shopping or something, grab a couple things to the house and drinks or something. Just something so I can use the card, keep the account open. And I just never got around to going there. So I decided, all right, fine, I'll just buy something online. It's free shipping, plus it's like 5% off. So I was looking around online, and there's really nothing I needed specifically from Target. So I thought, hey, you know what, maybe they have some knives for sale on their website anyway. So I looked, and they had like a couple of various, I don't know, Victorinox knives. They were slightly overpriced, knives I'd had before anyway. Nothing was really interesting at all. So I did a multitude of different searches for some random stuff. And of course, nothing I wanted or nothing I needed popped up. So I typed in multi-tool, and this popped up. So this is why I own this, because I was forced to use my credit, and I had to buy something, and I thought, you know what, why not? Why not? My wife's into gaming stuff. I am not. She has a Nintendo Switch. I have the PS3 still, and I haven't played anything in a long time. Occasionally, like once in a blue moon, I do like to play like GTA 5 or something. I don't even like shoot anyone, I just drive around the cars. That's it. I like modifying the cars, driving around, and just kind of screw around like that. But even then, I probably haven't played video games in 6 months or more. But long story short, everyone's a fan of Super Mario Brothers, right? Totally classic. Plus, it's a multi-tool. So I saw it was like $8 and change, which if I was in the store, I would never have paid $9 for this, whatever it happened to be. But again, kind of felt pressure to buy something. I'm like, all right, fine. At least I'll try this out, right? So first impressions, way larger than I thought. This thing is huge. Okay, this is supposed to be a keychain. I don't know the exact dimension. It's got to be at least 2.5, 3 inches, maybe 2.5, 2 and 3/4, something like that. Actually, does the back even say? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. It's huge. It's a huge keychain. I would never put this on my keys. So anyway. But, you know, it's a multi-tool, and everyone loves Mario, right? So we have, of course, the 8-bit Mario, character there. You can see there's a screwdriver, a small screwdriver, a large screwdriver, a larger, and a bottle opener and a keyring. That's pretty much it. So the first thing about this is that it's way large for the tools. It's not like it has, 50 tools on the thing. There's 3 tools. So anyway, let's cut into this and take a look at it. So today I have a Will Moon custom. All right, so if the people like the higher end stuff, eventually you will see a review on this particular knife. So, oh, you know what? I don't have to cut it, do I? That's disappointing. We're cutting something. There we go. All right, cut top off just because I took the knife out. That's why. All right, so here it is. Now, first off, not only is it huge, way bigger than I thought it would be, but I also thought that this would be like a sandwich construction and that the tool was like in between, but it's not. It's just 2 pieces of metal that are riveted together. All right, 2015 Nintendo. I don't know where this was. Probably sitting in a warehouse somewhere. But you can see that the tool kind of lines up these corners here. All right, so you know when it's straight. And yeah, that's kind of cheap. But whatever. So rotating this out, you can see we have the bottle opener. So this will go in my bottle opener collection. So that's kind of cool, I guess. I do have a wide variety of different bottle openers, and definitely nothing like this. But then you can see the actual tools. There's supposed to be a flathead here, which is quite thick, and then a slightly tapered one. It's really not that much different. All right, so I zoomed in here just to show you this. So here's the one side of the flathead. You can see it's ground on top just a little bit, but it's super thick. And the other side is supposed to be the smaller one. But quite honestly, I mean, it looks pretty close. I have to kind of do a quick flip over. I don't even know. They look the same to me. It looks like 2, not even screwdrivers. They're just thick flat, small pieces of metal. I don't know. And they're like the same width as well. So I don't know. That's horrible. This is not a good multi-tool. But like I said, it's an addition to the bottle opener collection, at least. But hey, you know what? Who doesn't like Mario, right? So yeah, kind of random. Let me know down in the comment section if you were at Target online and you saw this, buy the candy and stuff, you know, those little random impulse purchase items they want you to pick up at the last second. If you saw this for like $9, would you buy it? I don't know. Even like a gearhead. I mean, for me, I'd pick it up. I would definitely pick up the package and look at it. I might buy something like this for like $2, maybe $3, just because. Why not? But like $9, I would put it right back. But I would certainly look at it. To be honest, I wish they just didn't have these, you know, screwdrivers. I wouldn't even call these screwdrivers. They're just, you know, little pointy pieces of metal. I have no problem with it just being a bottle opener. That's fine. You want it to be a bottle opener, sell it as a bottle opener. Don't add all this random stuff. That's the problem with cheap multi-tools, is they always try to sell you on different things. I mean, they could have very well put a couple, you know, hex holes in here as well and made it like a, you know, 8 function or 10 function or whatever it is, but no one's using that. Seriously. The screwdrivers could be useful if these were functional. It definitely has to be tapered down more. You know, it's okay to have one maybe thicker like that, but they're not even wide. Like if you do a thicker one like that, it should have a wider head on there because it's really going to be for a much larger screw head. So yeah, just one of those random things. I felt it necessary to purchase something, stumbled across this, had very low expectations, and now that it arrived, I have even lower expectations of it. But this will go in my bottle opener collection, and maybe once in a blue moon, I'll take it out and use it for the bottle opener function, which looks like it'd work fine. So yeah, just kind of random. But let me know if you guys are gamers, you like Mario, if this is something that you would purchase if you saw it at the store. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and yes, stay tuned for the Moon Custom. What an amazing knife, really. It's something special. Don't want to get into too many details here. All right, you can see the, it's not an axis lock. I know a lot of people are going to say that. It's actually a different on that design, so it took that concept, totally changed how it actually works, but it is pretty sweet. Very smooth action, so stay tuned for that review, which, I don't know, a couple weeks out maybe. I am carrying, I am using, you'll see it again in an EDC update, which I'm going to do soon because I have some bigger changes. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Take care.